breaking down the barrier. I had to do this one. I ride for my niggas. I fly, be my niggas, dawg. For life. Look, people counting me out. Some hoping I fold. I grab my nuts and squeeze them tight, give them something to hold. It's getting hard to sleep at night, but I'm killing these shows. Young nigga came in from the bottom like Derek, I rose to the top. My nigga have a shot. Still getting wasted with my team, look at them bottles pop. Young nigga all about his green, I'm planting my crop. I'm living out these niggas' dreams, they praying I stop, but I never will. I'm very skilled, designed to make it through the storm like a Ferris wheel. I'm getting faded with my niggas still gripping on that wheel. I spin this bitch out of control, it's over for real. He packing the steel, hungry to kill. I tell him hold that bitch straight, aiming for a meal. And if you step up in the way, you probably get killed. I'm sorry, get up on my face, man, life is too real. Hoes stay scheming, I stay dreaming. She probably thinks she found the one that loves shit she believe in. I'm dreaming about these better days, preparing for these seasons. We bout to make it out the hood, this rap shit I believe in. It's too easy, lame guys cheesy. Eager to cater to these hoes, my nigga, what's your reasons? A few texts, a couple calls. She saying she love you, but fucking us all. These women are smart, get hip to the game. You paying for a car, know why she screaming my name. Think you the realest nigga ever when really you lame. You drinking insane, boy stay in your lane. She giving me brain, hoping she don't tell her best friend, my girlfriend, she's crazy as hell. But a nigga had to do with a story to tell. So many demons in my closet, I'm going to hell. But praying for heaven, Lord, I ain't living right. Seem like every time I go to sleep, I'm seeing the light. It's getting too bright, so I throw my shades on and walk right up into that bitch and scream, honey, I'm home. I did it, I'm gone. She say I lost my mind. She say I'm acting like a star, I feel it, I shine. She wanna be my only girl, but I ain't got no time. These niggas out here trying to skin, gotta stay up on my grind. Put my life on the line, to put my city on. St. Louis made me who I am, I rep it till I'm gone. The future is here, I'm freezing it, G. I'll be a fucking millionaire by the time I'm 23. I ride for my niggas, yeah. I fly, be my niggas, dawg. I ride for my niggas, yeah. I fly, be my niggas, dawg. Stay scheming, niggas tryna